Hi, my name is Helder. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I wake to you my day-to-day routine. I get up at 8 in the morning. I spread my sheet and clean my room. I have breakfast at 10 in the morning. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I bathe at 11:30. I'm getting ready to go to school at 2:30. I go to school at 1 in the afternoon. After a long day of school, I come home to my house at 9. I have dinner with my family after changing my uniform. I brush my teeth after dinner. I fall asleep at 11, had dinner at 9. This was my day-to-day routine for the week.